How to use Snapchat Plus. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about what exactly a Snapchat Plus subscription is. Snapchat Plus is a $3.99 per month subscription that gives you extra features on Snapchat. And here's how you can use them. There are a number of key features in Snapchat Plus. One of them is pin a best friend, that is BFF. And it keeps your closest friend at the top of your chat list, and you can find it in the chat settings. There is also custom app icon and chat wallpapers. This lets you personalize chat backgrounds with wallpapers or photos. You can open a chat, tap the chat settings, and then chat wallpaper. There is another feature called post view emojis. So it sets an emoji that appears after your friends view your snaps. You can find it under chat settings as well. And there you have the story boost option. It makes your story more visible to your friends. And there is also the option for priority story replies, where it highlights your replies to public stories. Another thing it does is it allows you to replay a snap you've already viewed. In chat, you can go ahead and tap and hold the snap and then select replay. Then there is the option of custom app icons and themes, where you can go ahead and change your Snapchat's app's icon and name. And there is also the Friend Solar system, where it shows your ranking in a friend's best friends list as a solar system. You can visit a friend's profile and see their friend solar system as well. And if you subscribe to the Snapchat Plus, you'll get a Snapchat Plus badge. It is a special badge which you can show off your subscription on your profile. And you can also get unique notification sounds for different friends. And there is also exclusive backgrounds for your Bitmoji and a one-time option to get back your lost snap streak. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.